Starting around the 14th of June 2023, especially token really is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.08% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is very huge. SPEL generally has an all-out market cap of $47,138,152 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,632,729 in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This certainly makes in every way that really matters. SPEL commonly token genuinely positioning at 357 in the cryptographic money market, which most certainly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the SPEL token cost expectation end of 2023, what will sort of SPEL especially token generally be somewhat worth in 2023? Is fundamentally SPEL extremely token an especially wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of enormous manner? Will in a real sense SPEL cost by and large outperform its untouched high, which is very critical? These in a real sense are for the most part SPEL exceptionally token cost expectations for SPEL's future, showing how these especially are basically SPEL genuinely token cost expectations for SPEL's future, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. SPEL extremely token value expectation 2023 as per the SPEL certainly token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the SPEL cost generally is supposed to explicitly cross in every practical sense normal value level of $0. The normal by and large least value worth of most certainly SPEL sort of token toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to explicitly be $0 in especially huge manner. Besides, SPEL can in a real sense arrive at an all things considered most extreme value level of $0, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. SPEL truly token value estimate June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of in every practical sense, SPEL kind of token explicitly is supposed to truly be at around an especially least of $0 in unpretentious manner. SPEL truly token cost can truly arrive at an essentially limit of $0, the exceptionally normal cost of $0 USD amazingly. SPEL value conjecture July 2023. The SPEL token gauge for July 2023 expects that the SPEL may generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0, a base cost of around $0 in unobtrusive manner. Discussing the typical cost in every way that really matters, SPEL can generally stretch around $0 July, which explicitly is very critical. SPEL kind of token value gauge August 2023. For August 2023 the cost of in every way that really matters, SPEL sort of token certainly is especially anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0, a by and large least of $0, which truly is very huge. SPEL value gauge September 2023. In September 2023 the cost of SPEL especially token for the most part is gauged to basically be at around a by and large least worth of $0, which is genuinely huge. The SPEL kind of symbolic value worth can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD in an extremely significant way. SPEL exceptionally token value expectation October 2023. In a real sense SPEL pretty symbolic cost really is supposed to reach between $0 October 2023 while the truly normal cost of generally SPEL for the October fundamentally remains around $0. The most part SPEL especially token value forecast November 2023. The cost for basically SPEL truly token in November 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0, or so they all things considered, thought. While the truly normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0, especially further appearance how generally SPEL basically has a really all-out market cap of $47,138,152 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,632,729. SPEL value estimate December 2023. The SPEL token gauge for December 2023 expects that the SPEL may in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0, a base cost of around $0, which certainly is very critical. Discussing the genuinely normal value SPEL can explicitly stretch around $0 December. SPEL truly token kind of past value examination in the essentially beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been especially diminished by 0.02% in its fundamentally current worth in a very huge manner. Assuming we especially think about the especially current market cap of the SPEL with yesterday, you can see that the market cap is likewise down, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. SPEL really token by and large is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in an extremely huge manner. The SPEL for the most part is down to nearly 14.55% in the especially most recent 7 days in a by and large significant manner. The coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for especially past genuinely couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have major areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't especially believe that it would a beneficial resource and certainly transient in an unpretentious manner. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of generally spell explicitly diminished by 44.684%, dispensing with an incredible truly normal amount of $0 its especially current worth, showing how in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the spell in every practical sense. Token cost forecast finish of 2023. What will by and large spell pretty token by and large be somewhat worth in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a very decent really purchase an open door for most certainly fast venture. By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change certainly is near 40.45% and the cost generally coursed from a genuinely least lovely typical cost of $0 in every way that really matters. Greatest most certainly normal cost of $0 the very beyond 90 days, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell pretty token certainly is somewhere near 19.87% with the truly greatest truly normal cost of the coin truly was around $0 the kind of least lovely normal cost of in a real sense was around $0 truly beyond 4 months, which certainly shows that in the event that you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every way that really matters is the spell truly token cost expectation end of 2023. What will generally spell token for the most part be worth in 2023, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Spell sort of token value estimate 2023 FAQs what will sort of be explicitly spell really token most certainly worth in 2023, which by and large is genuinely critical. The spell cost explicitly is guanched to really arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 sort of least cost of $0 the finish of 2023. So the coin essentially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for sort of past commonly couple of days. The coin could explicitly have serious areas of strength for certainly at the same time. We don't basically imagine that it would a productive resource and exceptionally momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Does spell in every way that really matters. Token have a future, which essentially is genuinely huge. Concerning cost, truly spell token basically has an exceptional fundamentally potential to explicitly arrive at new levels. Sort of additional appearance how for the most part spell certainly has a genuinely complete market cap of $47,138,152 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,632,729, which sort of is very huge. It basically is conjecture that spell will increment in esteem, or so they sort of thought, as per explicit specialists and business examiners. For the most part spell kind of token can raise a ruckus around town greatest cost of $0 2030 in a significant manner. Is for the most part spell truly token really worth purchasing in 20